Panini Black Early Bird 35-11. We are full. Dice roll 11 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 here, 11 here. Panthers up top. Texans at the bottom. 11 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 here, 11 here. Craig up top, Craig at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Panthers didn't sort. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Good luck here, guys. Panini Black Early Bird. Here we go. Panini Black. 2022 Black. Good luck. Good luck here, guys. Good luck, good luck. First up, Akeem Okongwu on the rookie for the Panthers. Akeem Okongwu. Hassan Haskins for the Titans to 125. Futuristic. Titans to Mark Fabiano. Next up, Tyler Batty. 10 out of 35 for the Ravens. And Mark Fabiano. Mark hits again. Again, 10 out of 35, Tyler Batty. Nice one here, Jahan Dotson, 32 out of 50. Washington and Craig Southard. There you go, Craig. Congratulations, brother. Nice Jahan Dotson, 32 out of 50. RPA, Silver Ink. Chris Godwin, 62 out of 75 for Tampa. Tampa Bay going to Mark Fabiano again. Quick break. Recap it. Chris Godwin. Jahan Dotson to 50. Tyler Batty to 35. Hassan Haskins to 125. And Akeem Okongwu on the rook. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Again, take your spots in the next break on the screen, guys. Select hobby. 16 left in that break. Mosaic No Huddle Bird hits the screen next as well.